Hello guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video we will see how to reset your control center on an iPhone. If you see, after iOS 18 our control center has been redesigned, right? There are a lot of things available in the control center. Sometimes it's very difficult to manage the control center after the new update. So in this video let's see how to reset it and get back to your default control center. For that, do one thing: go to your iPhone, open setting application, open settings, scroll down and open control center option. Okay, open that, and here below there is an option called reset control center. Just go ahead and tap on that, confirm it. After that, automatically your customized control center will get back to your default old one. I hope this helped you, and if yes, I request you please like the video and subscribe for amazing videos regarding iPhone tips and tricks. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.